My name is Lucius. I was a baker in Pompeii. On the morning it began, the air felt wrong, thick and warm, like the city was holding its breath. I stepped outside my shop and saw people staring at Mount Vesuvius. A black cloud was rising into the sky, tall and twisting like a living thing. No one ran. No one screamed. We thought it was nothing. Ash started falling like snow. People laughed. Children played in it. I tasted it on my tongue, bitter, like burned metal. By midday, the sky turned black. The sun disappeared. The air grew hot and heavy. Then the stones started falling, not pebbles, not dust. Heavy rocks crashing through roofs, smashing walls, destroying everything beneath them. I saw a man running through the street, holding his child. A stone struck his head. He dropped instantly. The child kept screaming and shaking him, trying to wake him. People filled the streets. Some ran, some prayed, some froze in fear. Doors slammed shut, windows shattered, the ground trembled beneath my feet. Then the burning wind came. A hot, invisible force rushed through the city. It wasn't fire, but it burned worse than flames. People dropped where they stood, frozen in their final moments, their faces locked in fear. I wrapped my cloak around my mouth and nose and ran. My lungs felt like they were tearing apart with every breath. I ran toward the city gates. I didn't look back at first. When I finally did, I saw Pompeii disappearing behind a wall of ash and smoke. The city was being buried alive, smothered, silenced. The sounds of screaming faded until there was only the roar of the mountain behind me. Never saw my home again. The bakery, the streets, my friends, all gone beneath the ash. Even now, years later, I still wake up reaching for air, feeling heat that isn't there. My lungs remember the burning. My mind remembers the darkness. And Mount Vesuvius still stands.